Hey, welcome back to the second of two videos, has to do with the Vanguard LifeStrategy Income Fund. Now we're going to take a look at our forecast and our return. But stay tuned to the end. I'm going to be giving you a new profit forecast model. Okay, so stay tuned to the end to be sure to check that out. Here's our current models right here. This evaluates the things. Naive. So pretty much it's saying out of the four models here, naive is the one that's the most accurate, which is slightly disappointing. But let's take a look here, okay? Look what happened here. So good news is we really stayed pretty close to that 75% range. We're starting to drop back down there a little bit, back down into the 75% range. Of course, we'll be doing a new forecast next Tuesday. We're doing our forecast for the month of October. So notice the width of the cones. ETS. Remember, this is the one that says the most accurate. You can see the cones a little wider here, but still we still spend a lot of time inside that 75% predictive close range. ARIMA, still the same thing, even a little wider still. Same thing. ARIMA model. It actually predicted a slight downward trend in the price. Although you could say, well, yeah, I did predict it's going to close lower than it was high, and it did in fact close a little lower, but not all the way down to here. Finally, let's look at weekly returns. You can see here more positive week returns and negative returns. Monthly returns, because there's again a lot more positive returns and negative returns. Of course, you would expect that with an income fund, right? And again, the first 6 months we did a pretty good 4% log returns. Now we're up about 6% for the second half of the year. Very nice. Cumulative returns. Here's all the good thing. Nice growth. Let's see, but 1.025. all the way up to 1.25, so you did see some nice cumulative returns over here. Now, as promised, time for the new profit plot. And here we are. Okay, and it's saying, this is a 60-day forecast, and it's saying for the next 30 days we're going to see a bit of a decline, but then we're going to recover back up to where we started off, back over here. There you have it. This first plot here is the log returns, okay? So this should be the log of these numbers right here. Okay, so there you have it. Some hope for the future if you own any